Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about cognitive and truth and false cognitive in English. These are important tools for improve your language skill. First, let's discuss connectors. Connectors are words that help us link ideas together. They can show contrast, addition, cause, and effect. For example, however shows contrast. Furthermore, add information. Because indicate cause. Now let's move on to true cognitive. True cognitive are words that look similar in both languages and have the same meaning. For example, animal in Spanish is animal in English, and they both mean the same thing. Finally, we have false cognitive. False cognitive look similar but have different meaning. For example, embarazada means pregnant in Spanish, not embarrassed in English. So remember, connectors help us link ideas. True cognites are your friend in language learning, and false cognites can trick us. Thanks for watching. Bye.